Hey, good people, how are you? I hope you are doing good and you are doing great. I just want us to understand what this Amazon KDP is about. If we understand the strategy they're using, we will make money. We'll stop losing the money. So, I would like us to go through this chapter 2, only chapter 2, for today, understanding the KDP Market Place. Publishing on Amazon KDP is more than just uploading a book, is about placing your work in the world's largest online bookstore with millions of readers. To succeed, you must first understand how the KDP marketplace works, the types of books you can publish, and how customers find and buy your books. What is the KDP Marketplace? Kindle Direct Publishing in brackets, a marketplace is Amazon's self-publishing platform where authors can publish ebooks and paperbacks and now hardcover in beta for free. Once a book is live, it's available to millions of global customers on Amazon.com and is international marketplace. Types of books you can publish on Amazon. KDP supports various books formats and genres. Here is a breakdown like fiction, novel. Under fiction, we've got novels, short stories, anthologies, popular genres, romance, thriller, fantasy, and sci-fi. Under non-fiction, how-to guides, memos, cookbooks, help, business, niche topics can perform well, even the educational books. Then we've got a low or no content books like journal, notebooks, planners, coloring books, puzzle books. Typical don't require written content but really heavily on design. Then children's book, picture books, activity books, e-readers require illustration and age appropriate formatting. Educational material, workbooks, study guides, test prepare, flashcards, often used by teachers, students, and homeschoolers. E-books compared to paperback compared to hardcover. Let's see the difference here. The e-book, refillable Kindle device or app compatible. Digital first reader, Robert Rich. Paperback, print on demand, matte or glossy finish, black and white or color interior. Readers who prefer physical books, hardcover, premium formats, still in beta, professional libraries. Format, you can choose to publish in one, two, or all three formats for maximum reach. Like myself, I usually publish the books in the format of ebook, and sometimes I make series and I do paperback and hardcover at the same time. The time I'm publishing, I do that. How to boost get found on Amazon in that millions readers. Understanding how book appear to reader is key getting sales. Here the most important discovery factors you can look at, like number one, keywords. You choose up to seven keywords phrases. This should reflect what the result the reader search, like weight loss for beginners. Category, you can choose two main categories during publishing. Amazon also assign your book to subcategories based on performance. Amazon algorithms recommend books based on buyers' behavior, sales, reviews, and click impact in your ranking. The power of KDP Select is 90-day exclusive program for ebooks. Benefits includes enrolling in Kindle Unlimited Readers Pay subscription to read your book, access to promotional tools like free book promotion or Kindle Countdown deals. Important, while KDP Select boosts visibility, you can publish the ebook elsewhere, like Apple Books or Kobo, while enrolled on KDP Unlimited. How to earn money? Ebook royalties is 35 to or 70%, depending on pricing and region. Paperback royalties 60% minus printing costs. Kindle Unlimited paid per page write. Example, if a 150-page ebook is read in full by 100 Kindle Unlimited users, you may earn roughly $40 to 60, depending on the current payout rate. KDP Market is competitive but full of opportunities. New books enter new daily, but many are poorly written or poorly optimized. But we are going to write the good one, the quality books. Quality design and research give you a serious edge. Use tools like Amazon Search Bar, Publisher Rocket, then look inside features. So I would like us to go to Amazon KDP now and show you my campaigns. After you make the money, you'll get this. These are the payments I'm getting for this month. As you can see, it's only for this month, as you can see. But I'd like to go to dashboard and show you uh, my royalties there. Let's see. For this month is is 8, as you can see. Coming here, I made a lot of profit here. Those were organic sales. So I'm coming to these clicks sales. So you can see even today, one of my books sold. It's like I've got a flu, but yeah, it's okay. Open, so I can show my audience this that we can do money, but you have to go extra miles, as you can see. 13.99 sold today. 4 clicks, then impression is 6,636, and it's one order. 4 clicks charged me, you see, 93 cents. So if we can come here and check for the whole of this month, you'll see what I'm saying. I've made a profit. So we'll go you, I'll take you step by step on how to do this. Here, my books were paused because my banks didn't pay. So this Aquas is very good, as you can see here. I'll tell you why I'm saying it's good, because I've got 20 orders. Then I spent 71.70, but all in all, the books sold for 337.79 cents. You see, this is why I'm saying there is a lot of profit here. The cost is good, the impression is good, and so on, so on. So let's meet again next time. Remember to subscribe if you are new here. Subscribe, share, and comment in the section below, and click the